Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen and today I am doing a trash to treasure video. These are my favorite videos for those of you who are new and have never been here before. I love doing trash to treasure videos. I do some Dollar Tree DIYs, but I'm kind of leaning towards this trash to treasure, and I will tell you why right now. Because one, I can go into Dollar Tree and spend like $100, $60, $70, $80 and leave with stuff that I don't even know why I bought. But then I can go to like Goodwill or a thrift shop and I can spend $25 to $30 with big giant bags of stuff for like tables and frames and decor pieces that I can refresh for just a couple bucks and have like a whole new area in my home or a whole new room in my home. And yeah, so that's why I kind of am starting to like these trash treasures just a little bit more. The quality is a lot nicer because you're getting like real wood versus like not. And so there's my little spiel. I'm doing some 3 simple, easy trash treasures. So if you guys are starting out and you don't know where to start, here's a couple ideas. This video is in collaboration with Nicole from The Week's Nest. I love her channel. It is very, very similar to mine. She does a ton of trash to treasure videos as well. She does so many Dollar Tree crafting. She is like on fire with how many videos that she can throw out there. She also has 2 little girls like I do, but I don't know, she can manage her time a lot better than I can. Anyways, so when you're done watching this video, make sure you head over to Nicole's channel. And if you're coming from Nicole's channel, welcome, hello, I am so glad you are here. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and that you would stick around and subscribe. And anyways, let's begin. This first trash to treasure makeover I'm gonna be doing is with this letter, bills, and miscellaneous wall hanger. I think this is really cute, but it is so out of date. Luckily, the words would come right off with a screwdriver. So yeah, it was really easy to flip this into something cute. So the first thing I did was just take my screwdriver and I took the letters, bills, and miscellaneous, and I also took the eye hooks off the bottom and those just screwed right in, so those were also super easy to take out. And then I just took my Waverly chalk paint in white and I had to do 2 coats to cover this pretty well. I don't like the streaks sometimes that chalk paint gives, so I just probably should get a chalk painting brush. I don't know, but I don't have one of those, so I just have some cheap brushes. Next time I go to the store, I really need to buy some new ones. I'm using my kids' paint brushes. I don't know what happened to my good ones, but this is just what I have. I use whenever is on hand, and this was on hand. So I'm just painting everything white. I had to do the back side, the sides, the insides, and yeah, like I said, 2 coats. Once the paint was dry, I just took this little bad boy outside and I took a sander to distress it. This is just way easier. I feel like my sander goes 100 miles an hour. I know there's only like 1 setting on it, but lately it has been going so fast and some of the screws or the nails came out of this, so I had to re-nail it down. You can see right there at the bottom I'm holding it, but I also took these letters or the words and I just spray painted them black with some cheap spray paint I had on hand. And there we go. My little letter holder, bill holder is distressed, and I am just screwing the words, letter, bills, and miscellaneous right back on. And this was all I had to do. I'm not sure where I want to put this yet, so I have yet to hang it. But I think it's super cute, and I love the way it turned out. And for only $3.09, I think that was a steal, or $2.09. $2.09. What a steal. This is second DIY. This was $2.09 as well. It's like a little tray. I'm not really sure exactly what it was. It's like a little pedestal. It does spin, not as good, but I took the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in this coastal blue, spray painted it, and then I just dry brushed it with the Waverly chalk paint in white. I didn't show a whole lot of this because I ended up changing this completely. It's cute. It reminds me of like a little primitive decor, but I did not like it at all, so I just got my cheapo black spray paint out, spray painted it black, and it goes way better with my decor than what I thought. So I thought maybe black was just going to be too much, but once I put like a wreath on here with the little watering can, this is Ray Done. I picked this up recently at TJ Maxx, and I absolutely love the way this looks. It's not very high, it's very low to the ground. So like I said, it's not like a tray. I'm not sure. If you guys know what it is, let me know, but I love the way this turned out, and it was so simple and easy if I would have just spray painted it black in the first place instead of painting it 100 times, but this is what it looks like when it's done, and I love it. This last one, I picked up this frame and it was already falling apart, as you can tell. It just wasn't pushed in the back that well, so it actually wasn't broke, but this was $4.09. I really liked it for the frame, and I was going to change the frame and distress it and paint it white, but I actually changed my mind completely with this once I started. So I just took the inside, took it off. It looks like it was an anniversary gift. I will have a thrift store haul out soon that has these in here. I don't know why I didn't post it sooner, but yeah, so this was like an anniversary gift. Somebody didn't want it, and it had the Smiths engraved at the bottom, so you can kind of see I did end up covering that. But anyways, I just took my Waverly chalk paint in white and painted this. I did do 2 coats just to make sure everything was covered perfectly. This little wooden home sign, this came from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm just using the Pearl Space Gray by Arteza, and yeah, you can tell I have some bad paint brushes. I had to go with a couple different brushes to cover this, but the Arteza paint covers so well. I absolutely love it. I use it on so many occasions. You see me use it quite often. I definitely recommend Arteza paints, but anyways, not sponsored obviously, but yeah, I just painting this entire thing gray. I was gonna go with black, but I thought gray would just be a little bit different, so I wasn't so boring in this video just using black and white everything, but that's actually just how I love my decor, is very simple and plain, and then down the road if I wanted to change it, I could. This wreath I'm going to add to this is from Legacy Home Decor. They have the cutest decor. It's a little cypress wreath. I love it, and yeah, this is exactly like a picture frame. You just kind of put the prongs back in, and then I ended up duct taping the wreath to the back side because it was slipping through the cracks. And then I just took hot glue and glued the home sign right to the bottom so you couldn't see the Smith's last name. I thought that was just hilarious. I tried covering it, and this is as best as I could come up with, unless I wanted to take like hole filler, and I chose to do it the easy way out. But you guys, that's it for the 3 easy trash to treasure DIYs. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are coming over from Nicole's channel, I would love if you guys would stick around and subscribe. And also make sure, if you are not subscribed to Nicole, the Week's Nest, you go over and check her video out. But that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!